And this journey from a mere POC to full-scale AI is not only about technology. It's also about the ability of your enterprise to be strategic and adapt as needed. So let's begin with the foundational step, the proof of concept. This objective here is simple, yet profound, to validate the feasibility of an AI solution for a specific problem. It's about proving that your vision can take shape, focusing on the technical viability, and why not getting some initial performance indicators. The beauty of a POC lies in its minimalistic approach. With limited time, resources, with a small dedicated team and a concise time frame, this phase is your first step towards innovation, requiring a few weeks to maybe a few months to uncover the potential value of your AI use cases with minimum investment. Upon a successful POC, we advance to the pilot phase. This is where our solution faces its first real-world challenges, where our solution is tested in a more realistic setting to gather detailed insights. It's here that our focus broadens to include performance in real-world scenarios, tackling integration complexities and scalability issues. With a duration of anywhere between a couple of months to almost a year from our experience, this phase demands more from us. It's more resources, deeper data management or governance, and an initial assessment of user feedback. But this is our proving ground. This offers a controlled environment to validate our solution's viability. But the journey doesn't end with validation. The feedback and data collection during the pilot phase leads us into a critical stage of iteration and refinement. Here, our objective shifts towards enhancing our solution, focusing on accuracy, efficiency, and user experience. This phase may require revisiting the initial design, expanding our datasets, and enhancing security measures. It's a testament to our commitment to succeed, really, requiring anywhere from, let's say, 3 months to over a year from our experience, depending on the complexity of the adjustments needed. The highlight of our efforts is, of course, the full-scale implementation. This stage is about deploying our refined solution across the entire intended scope, ensuring it's scalable, reliable, and integrates seamlessly with existing systems. It's a significant undertaking, requires substantial resources for infrastructure, staff, and ongoing support. This phase can last from 6 months to several years, but it's where our vision truly comes to life, transforming our enterprise and paving the way forward. Finally, there's always at the end a maintenance and evolution phase. In this ever-changing digital landscape, an AI solution is only as good as its ability to adapt. This phase focuses on ongoing maintenance, model updates, the ability to adapt to changing needs or changing technologies. It's an ongoing commitment to ensure long-term success. So the journey from a POC to full-scale AI and then maintenance and evolution is not just a technical challenge. It's also a challenge, let's say a strategic challenge for the enterprise. It requires kind of peeking and foresight into the future. It requires the ability to adapt and a continuous iterative process. Start small, work your way towards something bigger. It's not just about implementing technology, but transforming your approach to problem solving and creating value. Moving forward with the understanding that each phase from POC to maintenance and evolution is a critical step towards not driving innovation, but gaining efficiency and securing a competitive edge. And having looked at this multi-step journey, we also want to highlight and some factors, multiple factors that can determine your success. These are not just mere checkpoints, but they are the very foundation upon which sustainable and impactful AI solutions are built. Stakeholder engagement is first on our list, as the journey we undertake is often not a solitary one. Continuous involvement and buy-in from stakeholders at each stage ensures that our project remains aligned with your strategic goals. It fosters a sense of ownership and commitment. From the executive board to the front lines, it ensures that every voice is heard and every concern is addressed. Equally critical are the ethical and compliance aspects. As our solutions impact more users and integrate further into critical processes, adhering to ethical guidelines and compliance requirements is non-negotiable. We need to navigate the fine line between innovating and staying compliant. We need to ensure that our solutions meet the ethical standards that we as a company have, or the ones that are set forth by regulatory bodies, or even societal expectations. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, data management often becomes increasingly complex. Handling larger, more diverse data sets, as we've seen before, where we discussed volume and variety, we need to do it in a responsible and efficient way as the project scales. And our ability to manage this data will determine how accurate, scalable, and reliable our solutions are. Resource management is about striking the balance. The journey from POC to going full scale requires significant investments in time, in people, and of course, it requires significant capital investments. Balancing these resources against the expected benefits is an art form unto itself. We need to ensure that we maximize efficiency without compromising on the quality. And lastly, risk management is also crucial. We need to identify and mitigate risks at every stage, be it technical, operational, or even reputational. This is the key to safeguarding your project success. It's about foreseeing challenges before they arise, and it's about having contingency plans in place. In essence, these factors are not just part of a checklist. Again, they're guiding principles that hopefully will steer your journey from a mere concept to a fully realized AI solution.